We're gonna trap them in the whoop. Good. Whoever is the princess. So now it's my birthday.
Hey, stop making that noise!
I'm another princess. I'm not a princess, but I'm gonna eat it large. Taste it.
Ooh, what's that sound?
What's that?
What's that sound?
Okay,
So
guys.
that is a tiger.
Sophia the first. Wait.
Hello.
Hi. I'm Sophia. I'm just fucking gonna be.
What?
What? A two princess. What? My shot! Ah! Ow. No. Ah! Ow. Oh.
That was not smooth.
Oh! The princess!
Okay, I'm gonna sing you a song right here. I'll say it.
Yummy, tasty treat. Hey, T-Rex, you want some?
Of course.
Yeah. But first. Now, wait. For that. Hey guys, so today. Okay. I don't know, like. So that's like going.
Oh, what is it sound?
Oh! Like the video, subscribe, and ring the bell. And what? This is my channel, not you. Guys, this is gonna be the end of the Dark Funny Moments.
And we'll see you in the next
Video.
Subscribe and like it.
Now I hope you have a party fantastic. And bye.
And subscribe right now.
Princess! See you in the next video of Better Channel.